Hello, my dear friends. Today, I would like to tell you all a short story about how to donate. It's a very interesting topic, right? Okay, let's proceed for the story. Once, Krishna and Arjuna were walking towards a village. Arjuna was pestering Krishna, asking him why Karna should be considered a role model for all donors and not himself. Krishna wanted to teach him a lesson. So, he snapped his fingers immediately. The mountains beside the path they were walking on turned into gold. Krishna said, Arjuna, distribute these 2 mountains of gold among the villagers, but you must donate every last bit of gold. Arjuna went into the village and proclaimed he was going to donate gold to every villager and asked them to gather near the mountain. The villagers sang his praises and Arjuna walked towards the mountain with a puffed up chest. For 2 days and 2 continuous nights, Arjuna shoveled gold from the mountain and donated to each villager. The mountains did not diminish in the slightest. Most villagers came back and stood in queue within minutes. After a while, Arjuna started feeling exhausted, but not ready to let go of his ego just yet. Told Krishna he couldn't go on any longer without rest. Krishna called Karna. You must donate every last bit of this mountain, Karna, he told him. Karna called 2 villagers. You see those 2 mountains? Karna asked. Those 2 mountains of gold are yours to do with as you please, he said and walked away. Arjuna sat dumbfounded. Why hadn't this thought occurred to me? He thought to himself. Krishna smiled mischievously and told him, Arjuna, subconsciously, you yourself were attracted to the gold. You regretfully gave it away to each villager, giving them what you thought was a generous amount. Thus, the size of your donation to each villager depended only on your imagination. Karna holds no such reservations. Look at him, walking away after giving away a fortune. He doesn't expect people to sing his praises. He doesn't even care if people talk good or bad about him behind his back. That is the sign of a man already on the path of enlightenment. Giving with an expectation of a return in the form of a compliment or thanks is not a gift. Then it becomes a trade. Give without expecting anything in return and stay blessed forever. That's all for today's story. Hope you all have understood. And now you know what to expect and how to donate. Thank you.